Yes, greetings my loves. I am Mutulu from Mutulu Botanica, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a avocado tortilla, also known as a roti-ish. Also going to show you how to make the main dish to complement these avocado rotis. Now on my Instagram stories recently I showed how to make the butternut squash roti, and literally it's the same method that I'm about to show you, just obviously using an avocado. So I'm going to put the recipe in the description box, so stay tuned. Love. Here you can see me using white spelt flour, which is a preference. I prefer to use the white spelt flour to make these tortilla slash roti wraps due to the fact of the flexibility once the wrap has been made, and it tends to stay softer for at least 2 days. If you wanted to use the whole grain spelt flour for these wraps, you can do so. This is just my preference. At this step, I'm about to season the dough with 1 teaspoon of natural sea salt. This brings the flavor out in the roti. Here I'm about to use 2 tablespoons of cold pressed avocado oil. You can, however, omit the avocado oil and use grapeseed oil. I really love this avocado oil that I'm using right here. It is dope. It is so nourishing. It's cold pressed. It's just beautiful to work with on salads and just your basic cooking recipes, whether it be cold or hot dishes. And when I mean topically, it just does wonders. And if you're looking to upgrade your beauty regime, avocado oil really helps to aid youthful skin. If you're dealing with dry and ashy skin too. As you can see here, I am mashing the avocado flesh, and I'm going to be using both halves of the avocado. So that's 1 large avocado for this recipe in particular. Now, it is such a blessing, this recipe, because you don't have to use any water. And trust me, when I discovered this, I was as gassed as you probably feel right now. Trust me. I know. So with the avocado, the reason why I was even more gassed is because the health benefits of avocado cry is incredible now. If you're somebody like me that is active, as a young woman, I have children, I'm running a business, I'm taking care of myself, I'm doing the most. Avocado is something that I like to consume on a day-to-day basis to help increase my energy levels. I'm someone that, I'm doing a lot, so I need to keep my energy on a certain level. And it has some incredible nutrients in it. It's got all of the essential vital minerals that you need to keep you going. If you're lactating as a mother, it helps to enrich your breast milk. It's great baby food, great baby food. My daughter, I have a toddler, she loves it to bits. We have it with everything. And yeah, it's one of those superfoods that's always been around. It is said that it's one of the foods of the gods. And during the Aztec times, it was known as the avocado tree was also known as the testicle tree because of its benefits in regards to libido health. It's a dope thing. It's a dope thing. Now, I'm not really too keen on the supermarket avocados. I do have them when I can't really get my Jamaican avocado pear, that is, but it's a rare occasion, okay? I would suggest that if you are looking to incorporate avocados into your diet on a day-to-day basis, to go for the Jamaican avocado pear or the West African avocado pear. So here I'm going to drizzle like a tablespoon or so on top of the dough just to keep it moisturized, because when I fry these, I want the oil to bubble up. I want everything to be jeje, soft and palatable. So that's my reason for adding the avocado oil on top. You don't have to do this, mind you. This is just my way. This is Mutulu's way, okay? Here you want to go ahead and dust your surface with some extra spelt flour, just so that it doesn't stick to the surface when you're rolling out and kneading. And as you can see here, I'm just partitioning the dough just for the video purposes. I mean, I wouldn't be doing that if I wasn't filming for you guys, just so that you can see the way to measure out your dough portions, especially if you're cooking for guests. That's a good way to do it. So here, before I go out and roll the roti slash wrap, I like to dust it in a bit more flour because again, you want to prevent it from sticking to the surface. Here I am folding the roti and I'm clapping it in my hands. It helps to break it up. This is a traditional way that the West Indians make their roti. And I think it's because it keeps it nice and soft. I'm repeating the process. I just thought to give you more insight for those that like to see things more than once. And as you can see, I'm creating the circular motion of the roti. So when I roll it out, it naturally forms into a large circular shape. Can you see the beauty? Can you see the shape? Can you see her? Voluptuous. Wonderful. Now, be careful because as you can just see there, I burnt myself. Use some tongs. Don't do like me. I'm a bush girl. Wow. Are you seeing me? Are you seeing my hand? It's my hand. It's amazing. Soft, palatable. You can fill these with anything. We're going to pair these with some bell pepper, mushroom, and pumpkin stew, some avocado. I hope you enjoyed, my loves.